How to fix error code 0xc0000098 operating system couldn't be loaded because a required file is missing on Windows. 1. Run a check disk scan. 2. Check boot configuration integrity. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/check healthdism/online/cleanup image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup image/restore health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health/source wim x sources install.wim1/limit access 3. Rebuild the boot configuration data manually. Commands include botrec/fix botrec/fix botrec/scanos botrec/rebuild.